2047 నాటికి భారతీయులు ప్రపంచంలోనే నంబర్ 1 స్థానానికి చేరుకుంటారని ముఖ్యమంత్రి చంద్రబాబు అన్నారు. ఆ దిశలోనే ప్రధాని మోదీ తదుపరి తరం సంస్కరణల వైపు వెళ్తున్నారని చెప్పారు. అదే సమయంలో అంతర్జాతీయ బ్రాండ్లను వినియోగించడం కాకుండా ఆ స్థాయిలో భారతీయ బ్రాండ్లను తయారు చేయాలని పారిశ్రామికవేత్తలకు చంద్రబాబు సూచించారు. ఎకనామిక్ టైమ్స్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఢిల్లీలో నిర్వహించిన వరల్డ్ లీడర్స్ ఫోరం సదస్సులో చంద్రబాబు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Now I wanted to make it very clear, Indians are going to become number 1 by 2047. Indians and India, both are going to happen. In this regard, I am telling you again, recently our Honorable Prime Minister has started next generation reforms. That is the need of the hour. For the last 11 years, all of you are watching, from 11th largest economy, we are able to reach 4th largest economy. Another 1 year, we are going to reach 3rd largest economy. After this, if you can compare, 4.5 times China is higher than us. 7.5 times or 8 times America is higher than us or better than us. Now it is our duty to change our gears. We are going 3rd gear. We have to move 4th gear or next level of economy. I am confident India is having potential. Our aim should be number 1. There won't be any compromise. We are having capacity to become number 1. And also I am cautioning all of us are here. We are not producing brands. We are using products globally, but we are not contributing global brands. It is our duty, any brand for that matter, it should be global, it should be large scale production. We are capable, as you rightly mentioned, future is for technology. First quantum computer is going to work from January in Amaravati, first of its kind in the country itself. Hyderabad, I started iTech city with IT, information technology. Now in Amaravati, quantum valley with artificial intelligence. That is where quantum jump is going to come. Total, you name space technology, drone technology, aerospace, defense, electronics, we are focusing in a big way.